Ginger. You know you gotta look for pick a price. Just like you do the chicken, ain't no difference, you know. So some of them be more. The price be more and there's not a lie in there. The price be less and it'll be yours. It'll be more than, you know. I'm gonna get this one. I got onion. I don't need onion. I think we should get this big right here. Nice little market. Look at this big ass asparagus. Look at this big asparagus though. I don't eat it. I don't like how this thing tastes. I don't like how it tastes. I've tried it before. And they got vegetables. Look at that. I'm gonna get this though. This I haven't had this in a while, to be honest. Let me get some salad. Saltfish. What's this? I don't know what that is. That's squash. I don't know. Oh, there's a cucumber right here. Oh, this one I want. This one. This is the cucumber I'm used to. Oh, can I get the other block and see if they have more? They probably have more in there. So they do like $4. I'm gonna wait. I want cabbage though. Little market. I have a bag. It's time to go to the other store. Stores they got over there. Some random stores, different stores. Ski mobile right here. Foot Locker right here. PT. GameStop. I see. Jalapeno, red jalapeno. Oh, I can use this for the see look. Look at that. Pineapples for $1. Look how small they look. They be good too. 5 lemons for $1. Got more pineapples over there. Oh, that was squash. I knew that was squash. I didn't really know, but I figured it out. Most of the stuff is $1 still. Most of them. Not everything. Oh, look at that. I was talking about cabbage up there for... Look at this thing. Cabbage for $1, people. You see the price? It's big though. I'm gonna get it. I don't care. Get a basket. One more asparagus. Ooh, I'm gonna get pop chop. Or bok chow, whatever it's called. Cantaloupe. I don't know cantaloupe. Grapes. I'm gonna get a pineapple. Tangerine. I'm gonna get a lemon too. Hold on, people. I'll pick this stuff up just to try. I'm gonna get a pineapple. Do I have limes? I do. Lemon. I need tomatoes. Sorry? Tomatoes. You gotta keep it don't even do it. I'll be funny about it. When I see something one look crazy, I'm like, oh, I'm good. I'm gonna go inside right now. They got tangerines, they're small though. Papaya, spirit. Some more stuff in here. Corn. Like the perfect market to come when you're about to make some soup. Okay? Should I get it? I'm not gonna make soup no time soon though. I just come back for it. If I don't need it, I'm not gonna get it. See what I'm talking about? Look. $4. I was still had it for $2 for $4.
I be seeing it for cilantro. If it don't smell, I don't buy it.
That could be big. Not bad. Got spinach. Aloe vera over here. Everything is $1. Not everything, but mostly stuff is $1 in here. Like the fruits and vegetables. Let me get a bag. I need I wish I got an aloe vera gel. Aloe vera. Aloe vera for $1. Think the Bible. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. Let me get one because I need it. I have scallion already. I'm out of here. What's up? That's it. I don't need nothing else. That's it. That's it. Basket. Okay, so I'm gonna tally up $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. $8.
Over.
Hold on, girl. Hey guys. I'm finished shopping. I got my goodies right here. So, I'm about to go home now and do some cooking. I just wanted to bring y'all shopping with me real quick to see what I be buying. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. What about ugly sweaters here? This is the end of my video though, guys. This is the end of my video. So please don't forget to like, comment, share. Just leave some comments, because y'all don't be commenting. I don't appreciate that. I appreciate y'all for watching, but come on guys, I need some comments. Please leave some comments down below. You know, I'm trying to be consistent.